In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install eSports FC companion app from Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Now, to fix this, there are quite a number of steps you can take. First, you need to go to Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail. If you are already logged in but unable, then just tap on your Gmail account here and scroll down to Settings. Under Settings, go for this network preferences option and look for app download preference. Choose over any network to ensure that you can download and install this app via any network or the current network you are connected to. To save these changes, tap on OK and try to download your app. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. However, if you still have issues with this app, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For this, we need to access this app's info page, that is Google Play Store app info page if you're on Android, and long press on it and you should see app info. Depending on your smartphone, this might be missing. If it is missing, you should have a settings gear next to it or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, first we need to stop the app from running. If we have so many activities behind the scene that this app is performing, we need to stop them as the first fix. Then go to clear data and this time around choose clear cache and OK. From here, restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, now go back to Play Store, open it and activate search. Then just search for companion app, and here we go, and I'll tap on the app and now try to install. As you can see, now I'm able to install this app. However, if at this point you can't still install, then maybe you are being hindered by space on your phone. For that, you need to clear up space by deleting some of unnecessary photos or videos or even apps that you no longer need to create more space, and then install your app. Once you're done, now you should be able to install your eSports companion app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.